it's Josh here. I wanted to go over how you and your clients can search for properties from your mobile device. So a couple of different ways here. I'm going to go to the main menu first and go to search for homes. So let's go to your property search. There's your lead capture, so let's just register later here. So you can see one's already populated, but I'm going to go ahead and put one in again. Select that. I can also do my price range or what have you. I'm just going to leave it open and click on search. And then here I can go through my results. Now, besides the basic search, if I go back to your main menu up here, there's also your advanced search. Some of you also may have our map search. So again, those tools can also be utilized on a mobile device. One other aspect of the site though is searching by an address. So if I'm out and about in front of a house and I want to find out more information about that particular listing, I can go right into your site. And here's a search by address. So let's go ahead and put in an address here. Now I don't need the full street name. I can do partial and that's fine. I'm gonna hit go here. And then there's that listing I want more information about. I can go click on it and find out more from there. One other aspect of this that you can also use is searching by an MLS ID number. So let's go ahead and show you how that tool works, but very similar to how the address search works. Let's go find it. So here we go. Here it is. Now let's go ahead and let's find an MLS ID number for us to use. Let's hit go. You can do multiple ones as well too, so do keep that in mind. You separate those by a comma. But there you go. Here's that listing I was looking for.
What is that bill?
And then I can utilize it that way. So here's a few short ways on how you and your clients can search for properties, whether it be a basic search, advanced, map, address, or MLS ID number. Hopefully you'll find this useful, and we'll see you here at our next tutorial. Take care, everybody.